this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Japan. You ever heard of Japan? Actually, it's made in the US, but it's an interesting episode, let me put it this way. So this is actually not from Japan, this is from the US. This is Yamasa Artisanal Ramen Broth Concentrate, and it's crafted in the Japanese tradition, and this is miso. So I'm gonna make miso broth. To accompany the miso broth, we need a noodle, and we're gonna use this. This is, actually this is manufactured in Thailand for a Korean company and for distribution in the United States. This is Jongga Ramen Sari. And all it is, so with all kinds stew and stir-fried food. So basically, what you get in that, noodle block. That's it. So I'm gonna drop that in, hit it for 3 minutes. There we go with that. We'll drain that, we'll make our miso broth and put it all together. So, how's everybody doing? My feet are killing me. I got new shoes. I'm really happy about that. Yesterday I did 60,000 steps, which comes up, I think it was like 27 miles. And I'm beat. I am beat, ladies and gentlemen. I've done maybe a quarter of that today. I don't even think I've done that much. I started walking on the trail this morning and I was just like, you know, I'm just not in it today. I did 20 miles on June 1st, 27 on June 2nd, and I think I might be getting, I'm between 3 and 5 today. June 3rd, 2021. It's pretty interesting. It looks like this COVID thing is about over, at least for us in the US. I know there's a lot of countries in the world that are still really having a lot of trouble with it. It's nice to hear that we're going to be sharing vaccines. That's cool. But if you haven't gotten your shot yet, and you're listening to this, and it's like August already, what the heck is wrong with you? You're nuts. Just do it. God, I got it. My wife got it. We went and commiserated with family on Memorial Day, which was on Monday. They all had it. So, I mean, now Biden was talking about how Anheuser-Busch is going to give everybody a shot. If you get your shot, you get a free beer on the 4th of July. I mean, it's Budweiser, right? But I mean, hey, it's a free beer. You can't, I'll take it. I'll chug I'll have a drink to my jab. And I guess this is the one that kills me. It's like, man, maybe I should have waited. If you go like to an MLB, like a park, you can get free tickets to baseball games by getting your shot. Baseball tickets are freaking pricey. Really blows. Shouldn't be that expensive to go see a baseball game. No, you're not going to make all your money back from COVID. It's just not going to happen. Well, this we only got, what? 10 seconds, huh? I think this stuff might need a couple more. I'm going to give it a little bit more time. Yeah. I'm going to give those noodles a little more time. And I'm going to make our broth. So basically, I microwaved some water. To do that, you put water in a bowl and microwave it. What we got here? 1 tablespoon. It says shake this stuff up and put 2 tablespoons into 8 ounces of water. This is 8 ounces of water, and it's hot. 8 ounces of hot water. So here we are. We've arrived. So Here's one. Two. Yeah, this totally looks like ramen broth. Or base. Hey, be nice out there. I'll have to start cutting off fingers. And I'll do it too. Actually, no, I don't like cutting off fingers. That ends up poorly. Smells good. We have miso, ladies and gentlemen, see? That's good. It's like, I don't know exactly how I'm going to review this because it's two separate products, but I think these are going to be a nice pairing. There we go. I guess I could have put the noodle in the pot and then poured the broth over it. Looks nice though. Alright, let's give this noodle a try too. Looks nice. That works. That's nice. Okay, so we need some mung bean sprouts. Yeah, let's do this all. Mung bean sprouts and slice of Naruto, maki, that is. A slice of chashu. I need somebody to make me a batch of chashu and send it to me pre-sliced and frozen. You just need to do a how to do it episode where it gets made. Some chashu. This is expensive. I mean, it's 15 bucks a pound where I get it, and that's just too much. However, here's the wonder that keeps on amazing me every time I use it. I think right about there will be the sweet spot. The switch. There you are. You eat everything but one piece? Come on. I will be glad. You only ate one piece. Go and eat. Okay, then go. No tablet, no nothing else. You gotta eat your lunch, sweetie. You have to eat to live. My daughter, ladies and gentlemen, doesn't like to eat. Unless it's chocolate, which I can understand. Need to figure out how to direct these onions a little better. They come out looking nice, but they need a little more direction.
What direction?
Sit down! Get off of there! Miriam Elizabeth, I'm doing a program. You're probably like, why are you neglecting your big cleaver today? I don't know. I thought this cleaver would work better than it does. Works pretty well, but it's kind of honestly a pain in the butt. Just like bummer for those who like chocolate eggs not eating their lunch. I will, I'll eat it. Okay, just go ahead and eat, Mimi. Yeah, but you guys just need to pony up. Come on. Hang out. Okay. Wow, they really, these two sides of egg don't like each other, ladies and gentlemen. They don't want to hang out. Maybe a little bit of shit you mean. Right about that's good enough for me. Oh, I know why they're angry. PBS turned into the cooking channel all of a sudden. That's not fun for kids. Up a little bit. That's how we do it. All right, let's get funky. Thank you for watching. The next one we got that you're gonna see tomorrow, this is from a company called Little Couples. They're out of Taiwan, and they make a mean old Little Couples dry noodle fish head casserole, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check it out. See you next time.